Let's do a quick review of what a function is. Do you remember what a function is? If you do a mapping from two sets, right? You have some things here and you can map them to some other things in a different group. So let's say these are people and these are pets, right? So if this person has that pet, we can say these are related. And maybe this person has two pets, those two, they are related. Like that, we can do a mapping, right? Relate one thing from here to one or more things on the other side. This is called a, so you can say this is has pet as the relationship, right? This person has pet from here and that arrow tells which one is whose pet. These are called relations. But if we add a condition on top of it, saying that one thing from the first set can map to at most one thing from the second set, then it is a function. So we add a condition. So there's a relation and a condition that one thing can map to at most one thing. So this is from the first set and this is from the second set. So a relation becomes a function if this condition is added that one thing from first set can map to at most one thing from the second set, then it is called a function, right? But you may have seen it described as input output, right? So you may say, oh, you can draw a box and you have something coming in and something coming out. So the function transforms it, and for one input you can have at most one output, right? Then it is a function. So if this is, let's say, x squared and what is coming in is x, then if 2 goes in, what comes out? 4 comes out. If 3 goes in, 9 comes out. If -5 goes in, what comes out? 25. Right? So this is a function, x squared. So usually we call this y. So y equals x squared is this function. Also, in general, it's written like this, f of x, some function of x. In which case, like in this particular case, it's x squared. Somewhere else, it could be something else. Right? So that's just a review of what functions are. You can represent it in many ways. You can do an input-output table, right? X, Y, or you can write it out like y equals x squared, or you can draw a graph. So there are different ways you can recognize a function. As long as this condition is met, that one input can map to at most one output, then it is a function.